Today I'm unboxing a VC Overseas 4300V Perpetual calendar, courtesy of a good friend and private collector. This particular model comes without the gold bracelet, and the white rubber strap was purchased separately. Before we start, do also note that the box is originally covered in cloth, which I've not included for filming purposes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. The support means a lot, and there's some really special stuff on the horizon. Do also follow me on Instagram, where I frequently post content. Thank you.